some passengers traveling through JFK Airport will soon have the contents of their checked luggage through a carrot scanner. American Airlines has donated 8 of the machines to the TSA, one of which has been installed at JFK, and is expected to come online at the JFK Terminal 8 security checkpoint later this month. By opting for a carrot scanner over traditional X-ray machines, TSA agents could see the contents more clearly and be able to rotate images of passengers' luggage 360 degrees. What it is capable of doing is detecting a wider range of explosives, which is very important, as well as a much lower weight. They are much better at detection, so you really get better security faster, essentially. With the deployment of CT technology, passengers will need less to remove items from liquids such as liquids, gels and large electronic products when they pass through security. We believe that in about 5 years or so, passengers will not have to take anything out of their handbags. CT scanners are already being tested at airports in Phoenix and Boston, and CBS News reports the TSA plans to have 15 scanners operating at airports later this year. Next year, the agency is authorized to buy 240 carrot scans,